Hi everyone, my name is Bridget Nicole. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. And if you're back visiting, welcome back. So if you guys have been subscribed to my channel, then you guys know that I have been MIA for about a couple of months now. Reason for that is because I have been laser focused on a new career. And now that I'm more lax with the career choice, I now have more time for YouTube. But unfortunately, I did have to put YouTube on the back burner just so I can really focus on this new career path that I've taken. And I do plan on sharing what that particular career is in future videos. I plan on taking you guys on that journey with me. So if you are interested, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you get to see those videos. So as you can see by the title of the video, you guys will be seeing how I refresh these faux locks. They have been in now for about a month now, and as you can see, the perimeter is just really old. Now I personally like it when faux locks get really old, but they're starting to look a little like dirty. So I don't want to keep that in, so I will just take these out, wash the hair that's out and redo them. The only ones that I want to redo is like this front row. Like that's all I'm going to do is this front row. Unfortunately, I did not do a installation video for these dreads. Well, I started an installation video. And I just didn't get a chance to upload it. So I will be showing you guys, I will be doing a tutorial for you guys on how I reinstall them, how I take them down, and of course how I refresh them. So you really get like 3 videos in one, which is pretty dope, right? If you guys are interested in seeing like what color this hair is, how many packs I use, how long it took me, just pretty much the overall details on this hair, then be sure to stay tuned till the end of the video. So let's get the video started. So starting off, you just simply want to remove any jewels that you may have attached to your faux locks. Once you have them removed, you then want to simply go in and separate your natural hair from the faux lock. Now, if you did the method that I did, which was the rubber band method, you just simply want to go in and pop that rubber band or cut it. Then you are going to simply unravel your natural hair. And once you unravel your natural hair, then the faux locks should just slide right on out. Now, as you can see, I have a lot of buildup. And at first I was going to wash it, but I decided that I didn't want to. So I just went in with my rat tail comb and combed out all of that buildup and all of the shed hair. Now I'm just simply going to walk you guys through the installation process. So going in with my even edge control, I'm just going to apply that around the base of my box that I created just to have a nice sleek look. Then I'm just going to secure it with a rubber band. And once that rubber band is secure, I'm just going to twist my natural hair all the way down. Once I am done twisting, I am then going to go in with my crochet needle and pull the faux lock through and attach the end of that faux lock and pull that through the loop and secure it. Once it's secured, I am then going to take the crochet needle and weave it through the faux lock. Now once I reach the very top of the faux lock, I am then going to take my natural hair, loop it through the crochet needle, close it, and pull my natural hair through the faux lock. Once I do this, then you guys will see that my natural hair is completely hidden inside of the faux lock. And so basically what you want to do is just continue this method throughout the entire faux lock until your natural hair is completely hidden. weaving all your natural hair through the faux lock, this is how it should look. Completely covered, completely hidden. Hello everyone, I am back and I hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial. So now I'm just going to show you guys how it looks now that I am done. And as you can see, my roots look a lot better and you can't really see the debris that was in it. So yes, now I'm just going to talk to you guys about this camera so crooked. The details on this hair. It's the front. The side. The back. Okay, now for the details. So I did end up using the Freetress brand, and I forgot exactly what the locks are called, but I am going to give you guys like some b-roll of what the pack looks like. I'm also going to give you guys all of the details down below in the description box as well. The color that I used was OT27. You guys know I am a sucker for anything ombre, and basically it has black roots and it fades off into a honey blonde color. Now for the curly hair, I did use Locs Water Wave. As you can see, it did get matted and frizzy. I personally like when it does that because it just gives that bohemian style, goddess look to the style. I really like when it gets like this. But if I could go back in time, I would choose a different curl pattern. I would choose like Go-Go Curl or Beach Curl versus this one because it's not as curly. It's more of a wave, and I feel like it would go better with the ends of this hair. It would just match better by having like a looser curl pattern to it. But overall, I still like how it looks. I would just choose a different curl pattern. It took me about 6 hours to complete this style. I'm not gonna lie, it's very time consuming. I will say the front half is what took the longest because I did individually crochet it versus the back. The back might have took 45 minutes because it is crocheted in a way that is, you know, the traditional crochet with the cornrows. Very simple, very easy. But the front half, it just took forever. I did end up using about 3.5 of those packs that I showed you on the B-roll. Plenty of hair left over. I do have about 3.5 packs left over. I did end up purchasing 6 packs, which was way more than enough. And I will list the price down below on how much it costs per pack and all that good stuff. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Oh, as far as the jewels on my hair, I did purchase that from Amazon and the beauty supply store. I will also link that down below in the description box. So I think that's pretty much it when it comes to the details of this hair. I don't experience any shedding, any tangling with the hair at all whatsoever. The curls are still intact. I didn't even put any product on this hair since I've had it in. So that goes to show you that this hair holds up very, very nicely. I do plan on keeping it in for another 3 weeks, no longer than another month. I never exceed 2 months whenever I wear protective hairstyles. That's just way too long for me. I'm not trying to break off my natural hair or anything like that. So yes, that's pretty much it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and like always, don't forget to subscribe and share. And until next time, you guys, bye.